Unlock a life of absolute privacy and unparalleled independence in the bustling city of London. Introducing the Stay Club North Acton student accommodation, the king of all stays in London, for all the right reasons. Nestled in the Western Ave, this stellar haven offers a fine selection of stunning studios, each of which welcomes you to a plush bed, study space, private kitchenette, storage, and bathroom. But that's not all. Forget about laundry day hassles with on-site laundry facilities and stay in top shape with access to the property gym. Need to unwind? The shared lounge and in-house cinema have got you covered. And the best part? Utility bills are all included, saving you a pretty penny. And when it's time to hit the campus, Arts Educational Schools London and London College of Fashion UAL are both a pleasant drive away. On weekends, head to the Balti House and Mama Restaurant and Café to grab a bite or two with pals. And don't miss out on exploring Kensington Gardens or Gunnersbury Park Museum for some unwinding session after a taxing week at the uni. Plus, proximity to various bus stops and subway stations lets you explore the vibrant streets and sights of London like never before. If this sounds like your ideal London life, don't wait another moment. Head over to amberstudent.com and secure your spot at the Stay Club North Acton today.